For once, there's some good news in the wheat markets, and Kim, that news has to do with the price of wheat.
Well, if you look at the current price, it's back up to around $5.50 in some places in Oklahoma. I think it got up to around $5.60 early in the harvest, so we're back up to those price levels, and I think that's good news.
What's driving that would you call it a price rally?
Yeah, of course it's a price rally. We've had about a 75-cent increase over the last 2 weeks, and I think the reason for that increase is what's going on in the former Soviet Union and European Union. They continue to lower the European Union soft red winter wheat crop. You look at soft red winter wheat prices, Chicago Board, the CBT contract versus the KC contract, they're about even, so that spreads went away because of the EU's lower production. But the big news is Ukraine and Russia's production estimates are continuing to go down. There was reports this week of sprout damage in a lot of wheat in Russia, so you got lower quality than last year. You've got a report of less harvested acres or lower harvested acres. You've got a report of lower yields, voila, lower production. They're talking maybe down around 2.4, 2.5 billion bushels rather than 3.1 last year.
A year ago at this time, Egypt was kind of a player in all of that. Is Egypt in it this year?
Oh yeah, Egypt just tendered for some wheat. Reports are that they're going to pay about $6 a bushel FOB at the Black Sea port. This time last year they were paying about $4.90. So you're looking at $1.10 higher wheat prices right now than we had this same time last year.
Now, speaking of things in the news, there's been some discussion about $12 billion of money going into agriculture. Is that going to play into the markets anyway?
I can't see it playing into the market price because our corn's already in the fields. It's already been fertilized. The soybeans are planted. Our wheat's harvested. Our spring wheat's already down. So, supply and demand situation is no impact. However, it could make the farm as a whole more profitable. If you look what's going on, I think that the administration is trying to compensate producers for their loss because they're the pawn in this Chinese-American trade war, which is not about agriculture products. It's about durable goods, autos, technology, that sort of thing. But ag's the pawn, and China, they announced that their buyers, if that product goes into the state stores, they'll compensate them for the tariff cost. And Trump comes back, or the administration comes back and says, well, we're going to compensate our farmers for their loss too. So it's a tit for tat war going on here. On the trade side, ag's the pawn, and the two governments are trying to take care of them.
Okay, thank you much, Kim Anderson, grain marketing specialist here at Oklahoma State University.